Okay, that is the farm. I think there's a big duck or a chicken or something out there. That's been there for a long time. Here's the pavilion with some boats, a lake and such. Over here, some train tracks. These train tracks used to have a miniature version of the Wabash Cannonball that went around the farm. It was amazing. Super bummed that's not here anymore. Oh, actually no. This is actually a real life caboose that was once on these train tracks. This is not the miniature version. This is the real version. This is where Grandma's antique caboose was, and they donated it now to Wabash, and it's there instead. Big cornfield, not our property, but over here, all that's property. And beautiful. Over here is a little camping area, a little fire area. And we have lived much life around this here campfire, and will continue to as long as this farm is in the family. So, there it is. There it is. As a kid, played a lot right there. Birthday cakes right here. Can't see any of it from, can't see much of it at least from the road.